In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a simple drop-down menu list. Let's get started. So I have the data project name, project manager, and project 1, project 2, project 3, like that. So I want to assign a project manager for each and every project. So there are 4 people in our company as a project manager. So I need to have a drop-down list so that I can choose the any of these guys' name. So now first I'm going to create a table, then select this, then press Ctrl T, then my data has a header, and then you got some table here. Now this is the data that you would like to do as a drop down list. Click on data menu, data tab, then click on under the data tools, click on data validation drop down list. So in the settings tab, choose the list option, and the source is, click on this arrow, then it's asking where is your source, then drag these 4 names, then press enter key. So you got N3 to N6 this data. You can see this marching ants lines, and in cell, and ignore blanks. If there are any blanks in the cell, then it will ignore. Then click OK. So now if you choose this, then you got one of the name here. And if you want the same thing for this, then this is not copied. So if you want the same cells, then you can do Ctrl C for copy, then come here, Ctrl V for paste, and press the delete button to remove the associated names. So now you can choose the new name here, then new name, what are the project managers that you want to assign. Let's say for example you have a new name called, a new project manager called Joe Blocks. He joined the organization. But now if you look at this drop down list, the drop down list is not updated because this is not added in the address. So you have to go to select this entire columns, then go to data validation, and look at this. Currently the data is showing only these 4. So you have to re-choose the data again. Then click OK. Now you should be able to see Joe Blocks in the list. This is the one method of using the drop down list. So let's say for example you have another method. So Ctrl C, then I'm going to use a simple paste here. So I've got a list of names here, and I'm going to just make another copy. Now press Ctrl T for table, and my table doesn't have the data. So as soon as next time you place the cursor here, okay, let's get this data validation here. Click on the data validation, and this time list, and the source is this. Enter, then click OK. And you can choose the names. And tomorrow if you add a new name called Fred Blocks, remember I press the tab key from this so that like the cell is the cell address is expanded. As you can see this L shape, reverse L shape here. Now the Fred Blocks is automatically added. So that is the advantage of using the table. Let's say for example you are going to drag a few more names. Then you got a new project manager, new PM1, new PM2, and these names are automatically added in the drop down list. So whereas in the previous scenario these are not table, so therefore we have to add it manually. Thank you for watching this video. Happy learning.